This review is for the Spirit of the Animals Oracle, a richly illustrated 52-card oracle deck by visionary animal artist Jody Bergsma that invites you to connect with the wisdom and intuitive guidance of animal totems, spirits, and companions. Each card in this deck is meant to be a message, energy, or insight drawn from the unique spirit of an animal. Everyone has an animal image surrounded by vibrant watercolor art that feels both natural and symbolic, making this deck feel like a bridge between nature and intuition. I love the realistic watercolor portrayals that bring animal spirits like the butterfly, wolf, eagle, or sea turtle to life in a way that feels both grounded and mystical. The images are borderless and full bleed, giving sort of a cinematic feel that draws your eye right into the animal's presence. Because of this visual clarity, I think you'll find it easy to connect with and feel the messages in the cards without needing to have studied this kind of thing. The deck also includes a special personal choice card in addition to the 51 animal cards, which invites you to explore your own unique connection to spirit or leave space for your own animal ally to appear in your practice. It includes a guidebook that provides keyword meanings, deeper interpretations, and even a Power Animals spreadsheet to help structure readings. I feel this deck delivers big impact through its visual storytelling and spiritual resonance. It's great if you're drawn to nature, animals, symbolism, healing practices, or intuitive guidance that feels warm, gentle, and grounding. Recommend.